Fam, I paid $15 for what's in this stingray. What do you think is inside this stingray? Super satisfying, but the question is, would you pay $15 for this stingray? Ron fam, you guys remember Samuel the Slug over here? Ooh, so satisfying, Ron fam, but he was getting a little lonely being by himself, so I got him a friend right here. Ron fam, bring your hands together and welcome Larry the Lobster to the collection over here. But the question is, Ron fam, does it sound just as good as Samuel right there? I don't really think I'm a big fan of the way it sounds, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Which one of these things right here do you think sound better? Samuel or Larry the Lobster? Let me know down in the comment section below, Ron fam. Ron fam, I paid $23 for what's in this box right here. What do you think is inside of this box right here? Hold up, wait, see what now? Did I pay $23 for a bike chain? Now, Ron fam, before you judge me, listen to this goddamn thing right here. Doesn't that just sound beautiful, Ron fam? But the question is, would you pay $23 for this thing right here? Would you pay $8 for this thing right here? Ron fam, what do you think is in this package right here? Now, Ron fam, the question is, which one of these do you like better? Do you like the Office theme song right here or Coco? Ron fam, I paid $45 for what's in this black box right here. I know what you're thinking, Ron fam. What exactly is inside of this black box right here? Look at this beautiful PlayStation themed fidget toy right here. But I know what you're thinking, Ron fam. Is this thing worth $45 over here? So satisfying, Ron fam, but the question is, would you pay $45 for this thing right here? Would you pay $12 for this thing right here?